Hi all. Today we are going to explore a renovation project. The project is actually a car workshop which has been practicing for many years. So the idea behind the project was to create an identity and also be a local landmark for the common man. The building mass was strategically placed in a way that it should have the direct view from the four roads, thus making it easier for the customer to identify the building. The brand logo was placed at the top corner part of the building in order to get the longer view. The space is specially designed for the car enthusiast.